Hello class. Today I'm going to tell you a little history about airbags and how it relates to gas holes. Airbags are a part of car safety. They are gas-filled cushions built into the steering wheel and other parts of the car and use a sensor when the car crashes to expand. And here's a picture I have of an airbag right here. Alan Breed, who is this man, held the patent for the first crash sensing technology in 1968. However, innovations by scientists Walter Linderer and John Heydrich were made in the 1950s that led Breed to make the airbag that he did. Linderer's first airbag was made of compressed air, but research in the 60s showed that the air would not fill it fast enough. Airbags began introduction into society, beginning with Ford building an experimental group in 1971. GM sold Chevrolets with airbags in 1973 just for governmental use. In 1973, the Oldsmobile Tornado was the first automobile with a passenger side airbag sold to the public. GM later added driver side airbags for public use in 1975 and 76 with the Oldsmobile and Buick. TRW made the first gas-inflated airbag in 1994, and airbags became mandatory in 1998. Airbags use the ideal gas law. This law says that rapidly changing the number of particles increases pressure and volume rapidly. It is represented by the formula PV equals nRT. When the solid sodium azide is added with nitrogen, several moles of gas are added, causing the airbag to inflate rapidly in about 20 to 40 milliseconds. The pressure and volume had to increase to account for the increase in moles. The airbag begins deflating right before the passenger's head hits, preventing serious injury. And here's this little diagram I had here. And if you can read it, the sodium azide mixes with that nitrogen gas and allows the airbag to fill up. So that is all for me and airbags today. Thank you, class.